Okay. I did a video the other day saying when I get my motorcycle jack finished, it's really simple. But let me tell you this. Don't forget, I told you so. When you do this with a floor jack, it's gonna be solid all the way across. It's not good for working on your motor, but it's good for working on your brakes, your chain, your tires, your rims. But really, you don't, to work on your motor, you take your motor from top anyway. So instead of going out buying an expensive motorcycle jack, it's gonna do the same thing this is doing. Right now, I've got it jacked up. I hate to put it down because now I want to clean my rims. I don't mind cleaning my rims and my chain now because I don't have to push my motorcycle all over the yard. To clean my back rim mainly, I had to push my motorcycle, clean a little bit, push, clean a little bit, and maintaining, greasing, waxing, oiling your chain or whatever you want to do. Or even your belt, taking care of your belt if you got a belt. But remember what I said, look under the motorcycle. Make sure there ain't nothing below the frame, because if you bust the crankcase or radiator hose or anything, remember I told you to look. So you may have to, when you I'll show you the plate in a minute how I did it, but look before you just put the plate on the floor jack and start jacking it up. Make sure you ain't gonna tear nothing up. Take your time, because what's the big hurry? I ain't even got the back wheel all the way off the ground yet, because I'm not being in no hurry. I don't want it to fall over. Yeah, it'll wobble. But any expensive ass, it's like I can turn my wheel and clean my wheel, bearings, bushing, whatever, brakes. I can take care of my front wheel pretty easy now. Now, this seems to be one of the big more weight to the back of this motorcycle, so I could put the wheel turn. I don't have to chase the motorcycle all over the yard to work on it. Or I could get a nerve up, jack it up some more. Think I will. Hope the hell I don't fall. Tired. It's pretty hot, probably 99 degrees. I'll give it one more little bit. Oh, see why? Since I got more weight to the back here, I really need to move the jack to the back of the frame a little bit more. See, it ain't no big deal. It's a lot easier to chase the motorcycle all over the yard. Working on it. So what I'm trying to say is, look under it. what I did is put me a 2x4 on each corner, this bitty piece, whatever you think, and that way the metal plate doesn't bust nothing underneath the motorcycle. I got an urge to want to clean it. Damn, since I got it up. I kind of want to move it back, but I'm going to let it down, show you what I manufactured. Okay. So, plain old floor jack. This is pretty heavy duty. Unlike your handlebars, your front wheel, when you do it. Yeah, I want to let it down real slow, let it take it up real slow. And do everything real slow so it don't stay up. Watch everything you do. I'm gonna pull it out so you see what it is. Two by fours. No hit nothing under there. If I wouldn't have those, then look, there's shit. Right? Well. Now, if you was to jack it up, this shit under there, if you didn't use a little bit of 2x4, you would bust something. That piece, if you even the frame up right here, bust that, it would bust this. It's too hot to be doing this, but I've been trying to get it done for 3 damn days. There it is. I'll measure your frame, the width and the length from where it curves there. Everybody's got a frame, so measure it, give it about an inch extra. This is 15 by 15, quarter inch steel, $25. That beats and then I got the floor jack. I ain't gonna tell you about that, but it's a heavy duty one. I got it real cheap. See what it is? That's the piece that goes in there to lift your car up or truck. And just weld it. to a plate. It's a whole lot better than one out spending a lot of money on motorcycle floor jack. I priced one for $300. Everything all together here cost me $65. So you take care of your chain, your belt, your wheels, your rims, bearings. I think it's our brakes. And next time I lift it up, I want to move the plate a little bit further back where it'll be more centered. But there it is. Have a good day. Have a good day.